Hey everyone, today we're tackling a common travel question. Google Flights versus Expedia. Which one should you use to book your next flight in 2025? Whether you're after the best deals, smooth booking, or added perks, we'll break down the key differences to help you decide. First, what are these platforms? Google Flights. Google Flights is a search tool, not a booking site. It pulls real-time flight prices from hundreds of airlines and booking partners, offering smart insights and filters. You're directed to the airline site or a third-party platform to complete your purchase. Expedia. Expedia is a full-fledged online travel agency, OTA. You can book flights, hotels, cars, cruises, and vacation packages all in one place. Expedia often offers bundle discounts and a rewards system for frequent travelers. Second, pros and cons. Google Flights. Pros. Real-time flight prices pulled directly from airlines. Smart filters and insights. Track prices. Suggest cheaper dates/routes. Direct airline bookings equal better customer service and fewer hidden fees. Fast and easy user experience. Google Flights. Cons: you can't book on Google Flights itself. Doesn't show package deals or loyalty discounts. Some low-cost carriers may not be included. Expedia Pros. All-in-one travel booking. Flights, hotels, cars, and bundles. Expedia Rewards gives you points and member discounts. Great for vacation packages and trip planning. Price match guarantee for select bookings. Expedia Cons. Extra service fees may be added at checkout. Customer support is through Expedia, not the airline. Flight changes or cancellations can be tricky with third-party bookings. Now the question, which one should you use? Use Google Flights if you value real-time pricing, want to book directly with airlines, and need smart flight tracking tools with a clean, no-frills experience. Use Expedia if you're planning a full trip, flights plus hotels or cars, and want to earn rewards, access package deals, or manage everything in one place. If this guide helped you make a decision, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.